Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign documents with a digital signature on your mobile. First, you will need to select a reliable app for your device. Then, we will cover importing your document and preparing it for signing. Next, we will create your unique digital signature and apply it to the document. Finally, we will review how to save and securely share your newly signed file. This process is surprisingly straightforward and incredibly efficient. Selecting the right app is the first critical step for mobile document signing. Options range from free basic apps to more advanced paid subscriptions. Consider features like PDF editing, cloud integration, and strong encryption. Many popular choices are available on both iOS and Android app stores, often with high user ratings. For example, some offer a trial period of 7 days, allowing you to test functionality before committing. Once you have your preferred app, the next step involves importing your document. Most apps allow you to open files directly from your email, a cloud storage service like Google Drive, or your device's local storage. Confirm your document is a PDF, as this format is universally supported for digital signatures. Take a moment to scroll through the pages, ensuring everything is oriented correctly and ready for your signature placement. Now it is time to create your actual digital signature. Most applications offer at least 3 methods: drawing it freehand with your finger or stylus, typing your name in a stylish font, or uploading a picture of your wet signature. If drawing, take your time to ensure it looks just right, perhaps trying it 2 or 3 times. Once created, you can drag and resize it, placing it precisely where it needs to be on the document.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.